Alright, nga mbadde mbasuubiza ngenda bambaweereza update ku buli kimu ekituukawo ku honeymoon ya Mina the Queen wamu ne Aviator. Nga situnaba kweyongera wano mbadde nsaba kano ka video kampereka like nga wali enkola yaffe wano kwa WG mbere nga nsobola okubatira ka video hajja tukadogamba janga kulombereddwa enamba eri abasembyawo 67 mukubiri abere nga akuyamba.
Well, it's a very beautiful day here in Fort Portal, and by the way, I fell in love with the city. I love the city, I love the people, I love the food, I love the culture, I love everything. And by the way, I'm not alone. I'm Mrs. Nyanzi right there.
Hi.
She's so nice, comfortable, and feels so great to be here. You want to say anything?
I just thank you for coming for me.
And by the way, huge thanks to Phoebe. Phoebe, you did a great job. You broadcasted the whole thing, like, you know. Yeah, exactly. So my daughters, the Aviators Kingdom, did a great job. SB4, huge shout out to you and everyone who actually made it to the venue. Those who were not invited, I'm so sorry. It was kind of corporate, if you know what I understand. If you understand what I mean. So sorry about that, and we love you. We're going to the hot springs.